Hello everyone, my name is Nikhil sir of support classes Hattirosti Hodgi Road, Sholapur. We have started 8th chapter in science of class 9th NCERT. In that we have studied some parts of this topic. Now we will move towards the next part of the chapter. Now here some questions are there. First question, an object has moved through a distance. Can it have zero displacement? If yes, support your answer with an example. Now the answer of this question answer is yes, zero displacement is possible if an object has moved through a distance. Suppose a ball starts moving from point A and it returns back at same point, that is point A. Just I have told you that with drawing and figure. Suppose one ball is there. This ball, when it start moving from this A point and he went at B place, here A place and here B place. Again that means that ball went at B place, again he returned back to A place. That time then the distance will be equal to 20 meters, means this is a 10 meter, and when it return back this is 10 meter, this is a 10 meter, 10 that is 20 meters, while displacement will be 0. Distance is 20 meter but displacement will be 0. Now we will move towards the next question. A farmer moves along the boundary of a square field of side 10 meter in 40 seconds. What will be the magnitude of displacement of the farmer at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds from his initial position? See the answer, and the answer is in this way. Now suppose this is a field, you consider this is one field. Now from this point to this point 10 meter, again this point to this point 10 meter, then this 10 meter and this 10 meter. Farmers take 40 seconds to move along the boundary, means he move in 40 seconds 10 meter. After 3.5 round, farmer will be at point C of the field. Suppose this is A, this is B, and this is C, and this is D. After 3.5 round, farmer will be at point C here. Thus, after 2 minutes 2 seconds, the displacement of farmer will be equal to 14.14 meter northeast from initial position. Now we will move towards the next question. Which of the following is true for displacement? First one, it can't be 0, or B, its magnitude is greater than the displacement traveled by the object. Now we will see the answer. Because displacement is the measure of initial and final position. Displacement is the measure of initial and final position. It cannot be greater than the magnitude of distance traveled by object, and it cannot be greater than the magnitude of distance traveled by the object. However, sometimes it may be equal to distance traveled by object, means in this way. Now this is a place and this is a B place. Suppose a person move from A to B, this is a 10 meter. Suppose a person moves from A to B, distance is 10 meter and also displacement is 10 meter. But if person goes at B place and again return on A place, that is a displacement, and that displacement is 0. But when person start moving from point A to point B. His journey is end at point B. That time he traveled 10 meter distance and also displacement is 10 meter. I hope you understood it better. Now we will move towards the next point in this chapter, that is 8.1.2, that is uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Consider an object moving along a straight line. One object is moving straight line. Let it travel 5 meter in the first second, then 5 meter more in the next second, then 5 meter in the third second, and 5 meter in the fourth second. See here in the tabular form here given here. Suppose one person started at 9:30 am. He traveled 10 meter distance. Again in 50 minutes he traveled again 10 minutes, means in 15 minute he traveled 20, means only 10 minutes he traveled. Then after 15 minutes he again traveled 10 meter, means 30, means same distance he is traveling. In the same way, in the first second 5 meter, next second 5 meter, next minute second 5 meter, and fourth second 5 meter. In this case the object cover 5 meter in each second. As the object covers equal distance in equal intervals of time, it is said to be in uniform motion. The time travel in this motion should be small. In our day-to-day life, we can come across motions where objects cover unequal distance in equal intervals of time. Means suppose I covered in first second 5 meter, second means next second I covered 6 meter, next second I covered 7 meter, means time is same but distance is changing. For example, here another example has given. When a car is moving on a crowded street or a person is jogging in a park. Means suppose a car moves in 1 hour 50 km, then next 1 hour 40 km. That time speed is sometimes decrease, or next hour it will be increased 60 km. That time that is a non-uniform motion. See here in your tabular form again shown. Suppose one vehicle travel at 9:30 am. Distance travel 12 meter, second 15 meter, 19 meter, second 15 minute, 23 meter, second 15 minutes, 35 meter. Means see here meters are changing but time is same in non-uniform motion, but in uniform time is also same and distance traveled by an object is also same. These are some distances of a non-uniform motion. Now activity is there. Please student do this activity. The activity is 8.5. The data regarding the motion of two different objects A and B are given in table number 8.1. just we have seen. Examine them carefully and state whether the motion of the object is uniform or non-uniform. Just I have told that you but write in written form.